Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are enjoying the series of videos related to advanced product quality planning and production part approval process. So we have completed the phase 1 planning, phase 2, phase 3, and today we are going to discuss on phase 4 product and process validation. So this is the important phase. So previous phase we got the product all the requirement related to production ready. So in phase 4 we will be doing the product and process validation. So let's look at the what are all the activities that we will be doing during the phase 4 and what are all the deliverables, and then phase output key milestones. So first thing is conduct a first article inspection and assemble the production part approval process file. So Ppap file gets assembled, means you will have the deliverables defined for the Ppap that you will be establishing. Means there are set of deliverables that need to be given as a part of Ppap that we will be discussing in the later videos that will come in picture during the phase 4. Completion of the production of a production and product runs. So you will complete the production runs, the trials that has been agreed to prove the performance of the product for the defined key characteristics and cases and CI parts. Conduct the capacity analysis. How much is the capacity? Is the existing capacity meets the production run requirement. Collect the data, demonstrate the manufacturing and assembly process can produce the confirming the product at the customer demand rate. So is the existing process line layout that we did in the previous phase, is it sufficient to meet the customer demand rate? And then conduct the MSA per MSA plan, review the results of the production process runs and determine the corrective actions as needed. Subsequent to the corrective actions being implemented, determine the process readiness for the entry into serial productions. So this is the initial production runs till the production phase. That's where you will identify the corrective actions and implement and determine the process readiness for entry into serial production. So major deliverables from this phase would be product from the production process runs, MSA, then the initial process capability studies, CPKs, and then you have a control plan, capacity verification, whether we are able to produce as per the customer demand rate, and then the product validation results, first article inspection reports, Ppap file approval form, customer specific requirements. All these will be deliverables during the phase 4. So phase output key milestones would be validation that the intended manufacturing process and associated product conforms to the specified requirement, approved first article inspection and approved Ppap file. So Ppap file has a set of deliverables that we will be discussing. That is an important deliverable from the this phase. Hello friends, hope you enjoyed the today's session. I would like to request you all to subscribe, share, like, and then if you have any comments, please leave your comments. So keep watching my channel, enjoy the new learnings, and wish you all the best for your career. So, till then, take care, stay tuned, see you with the next video. Bye bye.